Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to log in into your PKO Bank Polski online banking account in Poland so that you can access your banking services safely and without any confusion. So first of all, you need to come here on the official website of this bank, which is pkobp.pl. Now, once you are here on this page, make sure that you select the online banking tab here. Then click on the login option here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now it is going to show you two further options. The first would be for the people who have a small or individual account with them. The second one is for the people who have business or a corporate account with them. So simply select that particular tab, whichever bank account you have with the PKO bank. So once you have selected the option, it is going to redirect you here on this page. Now over here, you will have to provide your username first, then click on the option of further in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to provide your password associated with your account, and then if you have enabled any kind of security verification, it is going to basically send you a verification code on your registered email address. So after providing that, you will get access to your PKO Bank Polski bank account online banking dashboard. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.